Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients: 2 slices of bread, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of milk. For flavor, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of cinnamon. Make sure you have a microwave-safe dish that is wide enough to comfortably fit your bread slices. This quick method is perfect for a fast breakfast. Now, let's prepare the batter. In a shallow bowl, whisk together the egg, milk, sugar, and cinnamon until everything is well combined and smooth. This ensures a consistent flavor throughout your French toast. Next, take each slice of bread and dip it into the batter, making sure both sides are evenly coated. Don't let it soak too long, just enough to absorb the liquid. Once your bread is soaked, place it in your microwave-safe dish. Cook on high for 60 to 90 seconds. Remember to flip the bread halfway through the cooking time to ensure even heating. The exact time can vary based on your microwave's power. You'll know it's ready when it's firm to the touch and cooked through. Enjoy this surprisingly simple way to make French toast. Your microwave French toast is ready. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings, like maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Remember to adjust the cooking time based on your microwave's specific wattage for the best results. For other great kitchen solutions, like leak-proof containers to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description below, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.